I suspected this could happen.
Look out! Oh no. Oh shit!
I have a bad feeling about this.
Oh, shit. The administrator just would not listen.
Whoa, what about this guy?
Now look, if anyone can end this catastrophe, it's the science team in the Lambda complex at the opposite end of the base. Do you know who ate all the donuts?
I only take so much, no more.
I don't know how you can say that, although I will admit that the possibility of a resonance cascade scenario is extremely unlikely.
All right, don't make a bigger mess.
It's coming for us! Kinda makes you wish we were still fighting head crabs.
You're gonna wish you hadn't done that. Hey! Eat this, you bastard!
1, 2, 3...
Shoot it!
Whoa.
All right, I can open the portal now. The process is complicated.
What are you trying to do? But we had a system crash about 20 minutes ago, and I'm still trying to find my files. Just one of those days, I guess.
You can do better than that! Holy crap!
You talk too much. Whoa.
Be quiet. Do you suspect we should recalculate?
Didn't you already ask me that? Maybe help is on its way, but I'm not waiting around for it. I'm not going anywhere. Let's go for it.
Go on without us. We got stuff to do.
You aren't scared, are you? With friends like you, man. What do you want on your tombstone?